Hello students, myself Vishal Pandey, your SST teacher. Let us start the topic water pollution. The problem of water pollution has started assuming challenging proportions. As you all are aware that water pollution is the biggest challenge of to save water nowadays. So the major contaminants in water are partially treated or untreated sewage, chemicals, fertilizers used in the agricultural sector and industrial effluents discharged into the water bodies. So as we all are knowing that waste materials are thrown in the rivers, in the ponds, in the oceans. Because of that only the water is getting polluted. The pollute water with bacteria, parasites, viruses and toxic chemicals like pesticides. So different types of diseases are formed when the water gets polluted or contaminated. They enter human bodies through the water and cause disease. So whenever you go in dirty water to take bath, or you perform some rituals with that water, it will create harm because it will make you feel sick. So almost what we have to do, we have to save the water, as well as we have to look at that water that it should not be get polluted. So try to keep the water neat and clean so that you can use it for drinking purpose, for bathing purpose and many more activities. So you need to keep the waters neat and clean. Now let us see the conservation of water resources. What is conservation of water resources? That how we can keep safe these waters, or the structure of water, how we can keep it safe. Scarcity of water is a major problem in many parts of the world. Scarcity means dearth means coming. Most of Africa, West Asia, South Asia, parts of Western USA, Northwest Mexico, parts of South America and Australia are facing considerable shortage of fresh water. So basically children, whatever names I have been taken right now, all these countries are suffering from the scarcity of fresh water. Fresh water is very abundant, it is not up to the mark. In part of this scarcity has been caused by the sharp increase in population in demand of water. So this situation is made worse by the other factors like the drying up of water sources and water pollution. So basically children, the whatever name have been taken by me earlier, तो हम ये जान लेंगे कि ये सारे देश जिनका मैंने जिक्र किया, all are suffering from the water scarcity. And the water in terms of, I'm talking about the fresh water. So keep this in your mind that fresh water is very essential for human beings, not only for drinking it but also for creating something. Let us discuss about that what are the ways to conserve water, what are the ways that you can save water for your future. As you can see that water pollution has to be brought under control. For this it is essential to treat effluents suitably before discharging them into water bodies. So as you can understand by the first statement that water bodies are very essential, like rivers, oceans and all, and we should not throw the dust materials or the waste materials in that water. Second is afforestation will not only help reduce runoff but also replenish underground water by enabling percolation. So what is that meaning? कि हमें ये करना होगा कि फॉरेस्ट को काटना नहीं होगा, उन सारी चीज़ों को रोकना होगा, जिससे कि हम ज़्यादा वाटर सेव कर सकें अंडरग्राउंड। नेक्स्ट इज़ रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग बाय कंस्ट्रक्टिंग टैंक्स एंड percolation pits is another method to conserve water by saving surface runoff। हम क्या कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जिससे हम क्या करेंगे, बारिश के पानी को स्टोर करके प्यूरिफाई कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज साइंटिफिक एंड रेगुलेटेड इरिगेशनल मैथड्स विल प्रिवेंट वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर। Farmers are wasting many water, much water when they used to irrigate their field। वो क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे वाटर को वेस्ट करते हैं। तो हमें क्या करना होगा, इरिगेशन सिस्टम को लॉजिकली साइंटिफिकली सेट करना होगा, जिससे कि हम वाटर के वेस्टेज को बचा सकें, क्योंकि वो वाटर को बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेस्ट कर देते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज़ मर्किंग एंड प्लगिंग गलीज ऑल्सो हेल्प्स कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर। क्या करना होगा, गलीज़ में या अपने आसपास में जहाँ पे वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा वेस्ट होता है, उसको हमें कुछ स्टोरिंग पर्पसेस बनानी होंगी। कुछ इस तरह से हमें एक सीक्वेंस लेके चलना होगा, कुछ ऐसे हमें डग आउट करना होगा, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों को हम स्टोरिंग कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाना होगा, जिससे कि हम बारिश के पानी का रिसाइकल कर सकें, उसको यूज़ कर सकें, रीयूज़ कर सकें। And the last is in dry regions with high rates of evaporation, drip irrigation and sprinklers should be adopted। जहाँ पर बारिश नहीं होती है, जहाँ पे क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन हो रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हमें क्या करना होगा, स्प्रिंकलर्स का हेल्प लेना होगा। स्प्रिंकलर्स में हमें कम पानी में, कम वाटर में हम क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं, उन क्रॉप्स की फुलफ़िल कर सकते हैं वाटर की डिमांड। So this was the explanation that how you can conserve water, what are the ways to conserve water. I hope you all understood. Watch this video as many times as you can to understand more about this. Okay, take care, bye bye.